Hello, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today, we're going to be baking my rendition of Buster's chocolate bar from the video game Star Citizen. So, let's grab your Astro Bowl and jump right in. In a small pot, add your coconut oil, honey, and tahini paste, otherwise known as sesame paste. Now, we melt it together and keep stirring the whole time. In a bowl, pour your mixture. Then add your peanuts, roughly chopped cranberries, roughly chopped dates, and some rolled oats. Having done this, we mix it until it has combined. In a slice tin lined with baking or grease-proof paper, empty the bowl and spread out the mixture with a spatula to the thickness you'd like your bars to be. I'd like mine to be slightly thin, but not too much so. Once done, put in your freezer for 45 minutes. About halfway through the freezing time, it's time to start your tempered chocolate. You can find out by clicking on the card referring to the Sims 4 black and white cookies. With the mixture now frozen, turn it out onto a chopping board and trim it up to how you'd like it, then into bar-sized bits. With the tempered chocolate, dip the bars into it and then put them to one side to let them harden up. If you don't have enough chocolate like I do, it doesn't matter, as these are just naked Buster's chocolate bars. I hope that you've enjoyed learning how to make Buster's chocolate bars from Star Citizen with me today. Don't forget to leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see made, along with hitting that subscribe button to stay informed when the next video comes out of the oven. So, until next time, enjoy the kitchen.